Greetings, dear friends. We are returning to our traditional subject matter, CNC. For the longest time, I used classic software for controlling CNC machines, specifically MK3 and MK4. But then I gave the application from Planet-CNC a try, and I fell in love. It felt as if the software had been written just for me. I purchased an MK3 controller from Planet-CNC, along with a C71 mainboard and a C82 breakout board from CNNC4PC.com. Here is what everything looks like right out of the box. Now the task is to stack all three boards together to form a sort of triple layer sandwich. I used a 3mm thickness aluminum plate as a platform to create a single monolithic block, making it easy to mount inside the controller enclosure. The C71 board slots perfectly into the MK3 board, and all the connectors align flawlessly. The C82 board comes with 2 ribbon cables included, which fit precisely onto the pins of the C71 board. And that's how the triple sandwich stack came together. And here is what the complete controller looks like. I used closed-loop hybrid stepper motors and drivers from the Lucian company, a now forever FD drive, and a 48 volts 600 watt switching power supply. I decided to build a 4-axis router just in case I ever need a rotary axis down the road. To control the system, I chose a GM Tech mini PC running Windows 11 Pro, equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD drive. The computer runs quickly and reliably. Here I've put the lid featuring a transparent viewing window back on the enclosure and powered up the controller. Now, I'm launching the Planet-CNC software. Here is what the interface looks like. You can customize the color scheme and the layout of the main control elements, but I've left everything at the default settings, so I'm perfectly happy with them as they are. I'm loading a simple test file, just the first one I grab. It's easy to pan around the workspace and zoom in or out. Everything feels intuitive and very straightforward. The G-code for the loaded file is displayed on the right-hand side. Now, let's try jogging the router axis. The Y-axis moves. The X-axis moves. The Z-axis lowers and raises. The A-axis, rotary axis, rotates. Now let's start the spindle motor. And let's adjust the spindle speed. Everything is working exactly as it should. Our build gets a passing grade. Now it's time to run a real job on our machine using the MK3 board. However, we'll save that for our next online session. Let me know in the comments who here uses controllers from Planet-CNC, and do you like them? Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next videos. Good luck with your projects, and may your cuts be clean.